What is ovulation? What is the meaning of the word ovulation? In today's lesson, you are going to learn about ovulation. What is ovulation? We are talking about ovulation after this message. Hello, welcome to our channel. I'm Mense, the health educator. On this channel, we talk about pregnancy related questions. We answer all your pregnancy related questions. We also do talk about conditions including fertility, infertility, endometriosis, endometritis, and also we do discuss issues regarding polycystic ovarian syndrome. Let me know if you have any questions, and welcome for today's lesson. You are most welcome, and stay with me today as we talk about today's topic. Welcome. Thanks for staying with me. Today we are talking about ovulation, and ovulation is that period when a mature egg is released. Ovulation is that period when a mature egg or a mature egg cell is released from a woman's ovaries. Specifically, the mature egg is stored in round like structures called follicles. So when this egg matures, it is released through a process known as ovulation. So the next time you would like to know what the word ovulation means, simply ovulation is that period when a woman releases a mature egg, of which, if at all it happens that the woman plays sex or has sexual intercourse with her man, and it happens to be that this was the specific date or the specific period when the mature egg was released. In other words, when you play sex during your ovulation days or your ovulatory days, then there are high chances that you can easily get pregnant. What are the signs of ovulation? How can you tell that a woman is having her ovulation? The first sign is that there's going to be what we call increased basal body temperature. The body temperature tends to rise, and then there will be a release or a discharge that will be released. And also we need to know that this discharge is due to the hormones progesterone and estrogen increasing in levels. And also the other sign is that there will be that increased urge to have sexual intercourse. So today we've talked about ovulation. Mense, the health educator, is the name of the channel. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments in regards to what we've talked about. We've talked about ovulation, and we've said that ovulation is that period when a mature egg is released. Normally, if you saw your periods today, you have to count from the first day you saw your periods, count 14 days. On the 14th day, add 3 days and subtract 3 days. That is 3 plus 3, you get 6. So basically, for every woman, normally, irrespective of the menstrual cycle range, normally it is on the 14th day, or 3 days in front, 3 days backwards. There are different cycles. There are cycles, menstrual cycles, which go for 24 days, 25 days, 28 days, and in some women, they could even have menstrual cycles which last for 35 days. So, no matter your menstrual cycle, your date of ovulation is always on the 14th day. 3 days in front, 3 days backwards. Thanks for passing by today. Hope you've learned something in today's lesson. We've talked about ovulation. Remember to subscribe for new videos every day. Mense, the health educator, is the name of the channel. Have yourself a fantastic and blessed day. May God bless us all. Bye-bye.